I'm Jefferson Nunn, co-founder of Code Warriors, and I'm here today to talk about our company and SaaS building, what it means to build software as a service. Most recently, a lot of businesses don't realize that their online presence requires more than just a website. You have to have more than just a website to be able to be competitive and to remain competitive. And that's how Code Warriors can help you. Our team of people are experienced professionals in the SaaS building web space, in the SaaS building space. We have built a variety of applications for the mortgage industry, for real estate, for just about any kind of company you can think of. You have to have an app. You have to have a way that your consumers can find you and to do business with you and to interact with you digitally, more than just picking up the phone now. You have to have that digital presence to be able to work with people within this online world. And if you don't have this SaaS presence, it becomes very difficult for both you and the consumer to transact and do business. And that means it'll cost you money, it'll cost you time, it'll cost you opportunity. It's a mess. So here's how we can help. Here's how Code Warriors can help. We can build that entire digital presence for you, that entire software presence for you. It's software as a service, SaaS. That means if somebody wants to be able to communicate with you through a cell phone and they just want to tap a button, that's where software comes in. If somebody wants to place an order right there on their cell phone, more like an app experience to be able to customize everything and have information appear on their phone about the status of their order and things like that. That's all software as an application. So you have to have the suite of tools organized in such a way that is both convenient for both you and the customer. And that's what we can build, and that's what we can help to make your business grow. So our team of professionals have been doing this now for more than 20 years, building software. More than just myself, we have Noah, who's excellent at managing projects and client relations. He's our chief operating officer. And we have Kumar, who's by far one of the best developers I've seen anywhere. He can make anything happen. And then myself, I've been doing this since 1996. I have a track record of building very large companies, to include Vanco back in the day, the Showtime rotisserie oven, to include Go Wireless. I took them from 50 to more than 400 stores across the country, and to include many modern day applications that we're building for the mortgage industry, for real estate, for traditional e-business. We can, like I said, we can make this a transformative experience for both you and the customer. So I hope that you listen to our series of podcasts as we explore many of the facets of software as a business. It's more than just, if you're getting into the software industry, software as a business industry, it's more than just building a website. There's a lot of aspects to making a business work. And that's what we want to help you with as well, is what are all the aspects to make sure that you have, for example, your business credit set up, to make sure that you have your communication infrastructure set up. You know, what about some tax consideration? How does the modern day social media industry fit into doing business today? So there's a lot of different aspects to creating this software as a service experience to make it as smooth as possible for both you and the consumer. So thank you for listening, and great to have you.